We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT for water-related queries. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Once you're there, you might need to log in or create an account if you haven't already. After you're logged in, you'll see a chat interface where you can type your questions. To get started with water-related queries, think about what specific information you need. For example, you might be curious about water conservation tips, the science behind water filtration, or even fun facts about the water cycle. Type your question clearly into the chat box, such as, "How can I save water at home?" Or, "What are the stages of the water cycle?" Once you've entered your question, press Enter or click the Send button, and ChatGPT will generate a response. If the answer isn't quite what you were looking for, you can refine your question by adding more details or asking follow-up questions like, "Can you give me more examples?" Or, "What about in cold climates?" Remember, the more specific you are with your queries, the more accurate and helpful the responses will be. You can also ask for further explanations if something isn't clear. For example, if you're curious about how desalination works, ask for a step-by-step explanation. Keep in mind that ChatGPT's knowledge is based on data up to its last update. So for the most current information, especially on scientific topics, it's good to cross-reference with other reliable sources. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.